Here I am with Perry, who's going to take us through an awesome option for the bathroom, and this product is called the Showerdome.
Well, best Showerdome is just a clear acrylic dome that fits on top of a shower. As you'd imagine now, a shower's got a huge gaping hole at the top, and you sort of wonder like why.
Yep.
What happens with that is your hot water comes out of the shower rose, the cooler air can spill over the top through that hole, and that creates the steam.
Yep.
So what the Showerdome does, it creates a barrier between that cooler air and the hot water coming out of the rose. Therefore what happens is steam is eliminated inside your shower,
Right.
and then there's no moisture release in the bathroom whatsoever, which means a saving of electricity because no exhaust fan is needed. There's no mould, mildew issues anymore in your bathroom because there's no moisture released into the air.
That's awesome.
And your shower's warmer because what happens is the hot water coming out of the rose heats up the airspace in the cubicle, which makes your shower warmer. Most people look above their shower, in the corners of the bathroom, you'll see mould start to form. There's even bad toxic mould called black spores that are very, very dangerous. So it eliminates all that because I say no moisture gets released in the air, so no mould can actually form. So that is an absolute, health benefit and a real plus.
Can you tell us a little bit about Ken Evans and how he was inspired to make this Showerdome? You were telling us a little bit before about the kettle and the simple idea that sparked all of this.
Yeah, correct. He went out to make the tea, noticed that in the kettle itself, the water was boiling, bubbling along. There's a gap above the boiling water to the outlet of the kettle, and there was no steam in that area. But billows of steam coming out of the kettle nozzle.
Moment.
So absolutely, an aha moment.
Yep.
He ran down to his basement, got a huge big piece of cork cut it to the shape of the top of his shower, slid it on, turned the shower on, hot water as flat as it would go, and absolutely no steam in the bathroom whatsoever. That was great. Problem was, very, very ugly, aesthetically not too pleasing at all, and water poured on top of this cork flute, which wasn't particularly good at all. So came up with the final design and went to market, and since then they've installed almost 100,000 of these in New Zealand.
How many sizes do you have available?
There's 10 different sizes of domes. They actually come up on what we call like a blank. So the biggest one we do is a 12 by 12, and there's different size domes that it would be on top of that. So depending on your shower size and would be the size dome you would need. You just cut the dome to suit the shower. They're fitted on site, either DIY or by a handyman or one of our installers, and you just go from there. So yes, quite simple.